We have very last minute decided that we are going to stay at the beach for a few nights. Alex's uncle has a beach house and he's in Melbourne, so it's free. We're just dropping Bossy Boy off at my parents, so let's go. Woo! We just got back from the beach. Dinner time. We're going to a restaurant called Saltwater. It's on the water. It's really nice. That's where we're going for dinner.